All right, let's do a full breakdown of the monthly chart now that we've closed this month. We'll mark out a couple areas now off of this monthly. I will point that out. So that's an area that the market might want to gravitate to, possibly the start of next week. So we're looking at next week possibly gravitate up here, take this monthly high. So you'll have buy stop orders just there. So that would be the month high. You've got this wick zone here, which is possible for this month to come into. And right here, we've got the gap fill. We also have a break of structure, which we could have a retest just off the daily candle. So there's a few things that I see possibly happening. We open here. I believe that the market might want to actually sweep this to get into this weak zone to then possibly come all the way down to here. That'll be my first target off of a monthly trade. So that's my first target there. So if you are looking, I did just before the close, it was somewhere at the top. I was starting to scale into my shorts. So say there. Now I do want to have a stop loss there. That is the ultimate target for this monthly trade. So that's something that I'll be keeping on my side and just watching it, seeing how we go. There will be a really strong reaction in this wick, but we did get close. So something to look at. So now let's just go to the weekly. How did the weekly close? Weekly closed strong bullish. Now, what might Monday want to do? Monday might want to come into this zone. So the market might want to open, come here. So the buyers get this. Buyers take out the previous month high and take that buy stop orders, come into this zone, which is the wick zone, and then start making its way down into these zones. So you could see something like this happen this month. This is your strong buy zone. This would be the best buy zone. So if you are looking for buys, I suggest waiting. Strong buys there. Now, let's break it down. I'm going to just try go through this video pretty quick because I don't want to make these long videos. Just try to bring them out as close as we can. Now we notice that the monthly wick is right here. There's this massive gap. So I am expecting this month to fully close this gap. You've got a support here off of the daily, which is right there. So you might actually find people starting to buy there. You also have that break of structure continuation buyers that are right there. I just want to show you where all these zones could be potential buy zones for whoever wants to continue on. I'll take some trades off of a buy, but I also will wait for that confirmation. I won't just buy on these ones because buyers will be aiming for something like that to at least target that first TP. You've got buyers that go off break of structure, but being at the end of the month, I don't believe that they'll be trying to take this setup now. So that was your break of structure. Now their first target is up here, second target up here. Look, it's possible, but I see it coming back into the month first. We might take the previous month, then come down. If we do not take previous month and we just start going down, that'll be great for me because I will start setting up my longs in this whole month to take out previous month high, just because it's a strong indication. The way we closed, it's a 50-50 candle off of the day. So it could either break the top or the bottom. It's just a 50-50 chance. It got really close to this one, so I'm going to kind of let that out of my trade. And that's pretty much it. The monthly finished strong bullish, so I am expecting it to go further up. Now let's just take a look. So now we've got all these zones. Let's just see where these long buys. So this is where the long buying started. They took previous month low. They actually brought it all the way up to that 100 zone, which was where we were kind of, I did mention that off of this monthly chart last month, that the buyers would start selling here and then have a full sell up here. They got really close. We did see sellers take profits happen at the 75. If we go down, I think it was the daily maybe shows it. So there was your 75. So there's the take profits. They brought it back down and the buyers ramped it back up, taking previous break structure high. Apart from that, happy trading.